Hi guys and welcome to How To Experts. In this video, I will show you how to remove payment card from Amazon account. To start, open your Amazon application in your mobile device. Once you're here, select your account on the bottom left. It is on a human icon. Once you are now here, select the button that says Your Account. Scroll down this time and then head on over to the Payments tab. Then select your payments. Once you are now here, you will be able to add a payment method. This is the same tab as well, wherein you can remove your payment card from Amazon account. If any of your cards is saved there, just press on that card, and after that, you will get the option to remove it as a payment method over at Amazon. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.